Thank you. Wish you the same. One observation in Tantra, the children here are very creative and they are able to speak well and write well. And they are very creative in making sentences. Though there is because I saw one girl here, she is not able to write properly. She has written only 2 or 3 sentences. But when I asked her to read, she read more than what she has written. So that is something interesting. Very good morning. Good morning to all of you. ಒಬ್ಬೊಬ್ಬರಾಗಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು.
If you don't mind, what's your name?
My name is Ram Kumar.
Sir.
What is your good name?
My name is Saujanya, sir.
Saujanya.
Sir.
So, 1 minute. So what I'll do is, I'll start asking names one by one. Okay? So, from here onwards. What's your good name?
Sujat Kumar.
Huh?
Sujat Kumar.
Sujat Kumar.
Sujan
Sujan
Kumar.
Kumar.
Also standard you also say.
Ravi Kumar.
Ravi Kumar.
Martani.
Which standard you are from?
Fourth.
Fourth.
Saujanya. Shweta.
Shweta.
Uday Kumar. Aarti.
1 minute.
Manu. Kausalya. Nandu. Pooja. Sidraj.
Okay.
Prakash.
Prakash.
Manju.
Okay. Good. So how many of you are here? What is the number of children here?
4 and 7.
Huh?
4, 5th, 6th, 7th.
Okay, so 4th, 5th, 6th standard children are here.
7.
So what is the number?
Number.
How many? What is the strength of this class? Seven. How many? Just count their heads. Head count.
Sir, maybe 25 or 30, maybe.
Maybe 30? Okay. Can you guess how many are here?
Sir, I think
40.
33.
33. So 36 children are here.
Sir, could you please tell me where do you come from?
I come from Sargur.
Sir,
So anything you want to ask me?
sir, if you come Angatti, what will you do?
Where here?
Yes, sir.
I don't know. You have to tell me.
Sir, if you did not come Angatti, where did you go?
I would have been in Sargur doing my own work. I had some office work, so I was been doing my work.
Sir, what is your father?
My father, he is at Tumkur.
Sir, will you please what is your father name?
My father name is Nagbhushan Rao.
Sir, what is your mother name?
My mother name is Vijay Lakshmi.
Sir, what does your mother working?
No, she is a housewife.
Sir, your father working?
He was a government employee. He worked in a government. Fruit. Which fruit I like? I like jackfruit. Jackfruit, you know?
Yes, sir, I know.
What is a jackfruit?
Sir,
Understand no.
Sir, which
Stand up and say.
stand up. Which will food?
Food.
I do, sir.
I like Rogi Mudde.
Sir, what do you do?
Huh?
What do you do?
I do nothing. Okay.
Sir, if you go Bangalore, what will you do?
If I go to Bangalore, I don't know, but I may go to my sister's home there.
Sir, you have son?
Hmm?
You have son or daughter?
Son, okay. I have my son.
Sir, what is your surname? Surname.
Surname. You don't want to ask any question? Huh?
If you go Sargur, what will you do?
Sargur, I'll do my office work. And like we have many friends, so I just talk to them.
Sir,
Huh?
if you go Mysore, what will you take your son?
Zoo, probably he likes zoo. Going to zoo is one
What
option.
will you take? What will you take your son?
Take or where?
Fruits.
Gifts. Oh, okay, gifts. He likes chocolate and the chewing gum. What do you call that? He likes that.
Sir, could you look sunrise?
Sunrise or sunset? I like sunset.
Sir, could you please your surname?
Surname. Son's name, Yashas. Yeah.
If you come my village, what do you feel?
Your village.
Yes, sir.
My village.
What is the name of your village?
Angatti.
Angatti. So what is so special about Angatti? What is there in Angatti?
A big elephant.
Big elephant. Oh, this much big?
No.
This much?
Yes,
This much? Oh. What do you do with elephants?
We play.
And what do you do with elephant there? What do you do?
We did not look, sir.
Huh?
We did not look. Sir, I did not look.
Acha, okay. Then what are other things to look in your village?
Sir.
Cheetah. Hard.
Cheetah.
Cheetah. Oh, leopard.
Yes, sir.
Leopard or cheetah? Which one?
Cheetah.
Cheetah. What is the difference in cheetah and leopard?
Sir, eat animals.
Huh?
Eat animals.
Oh, which animals? Okay, okay. Okay. Now,
Eat animals.
okay, now we'll play one small game. Okay. So everybody has to say one sentence. I'll start with one sentence, and you have to say one sentence afterwards, and we'll build a story. Okay, you know story building activity?
Yes.
You know? So we'll start from here. He will say one sentence, and you have to add one more sentence to that. So we build one nice, interesting story. Okay? Will that be all right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's fine with you all?
Sentence.
Sentence.
For
One
example,
from one name,
I go
one
to
name.
Mysore. For example.
Look at that food and say which one you like. Start from that. Which? Huh? You like chakli? Now next sentence.
I like jamun.
You like? Oh, chakli and jamun. Now, chakli and jamun are friends.
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay? Okay, chakli and jamun are friends. Now, this chakli and jamun, they go for a walk. Hmm? Now you start. What they do, what they talk now? They are talking. Now you say one more sentence. Who? What is chakli do? What did chakli say to jamun?
Chakli and jamun go field. Chakli says, you look rabbit.
Okay. Oh, wow.
Jamun look rabbit. Oh, rabbit see. You look. Jamun call friends. Friends come. Friends look rabbit.
Okay. Now next.
Lion call Jamun and Chakli. Jamun and Chakli go. Lion ask, you eat apple. Jamun ask, okay, I eat, I like.
Okay, next. Okay.
Jamun and Chakli go Mysore.
Mysore. What they do from there?
Chakli says, we go. Guard out. Look guard.
Then?
Guard.
Then?
And I wash guard.
What? Oh, okay.
I put
Ooh, flowers. Okay, next. Pradeep. Next, what happened to Chakli and Jamun? They are in Mysore now. They are in front of God. What happened now?
Chakli what? Chakli take the jamun.
Okay. Okay, good. Then? What happened? Forest. Okay, next. ಅವರು ಮೈಸೂರಿಂದ ಫಾರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದ್ರೀಗ ಚಕ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಜಾಮೂನು ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಓಕೆ.
One day Chakli and Jamun and go the field.
Field. Okay. Then from forest they go to field. Okay. Let them go anywhere. Next.
Chakli and where do the Jamun? Chakli and I am here.
Oh. Okay. Next.
Jamun and Chakli go to Mysore.
Again from field to Mysore again. Okay. Let them go.
Jamun go and take apple. Come and eat. Chakli say, you give me. Chakli don't give. Jamun don't give. And we are eat and.
Okay.
Chakli and Jamun go to Bangalore.
Bangalore. From Mysore they go to Bangalore. Okay.
Jamun eat God.
Okay. Next.
One day, Chakli and Jamun go to forest.
Forest. Again from Bangalore to forest.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
And animals look Chakli and Jamun. I eat squirrel and more animals squirrel.
Oh.
And I eat.
Oh. Okay.
Chakli and Jamun goes Darshan house.
Darshan's house.
Jamun says, Darshan wives, where did you go, Darshan? His wife says, I couldn't know where it could know. So Chakli replied, could you please come? May I come your house? Oh, of course. Wife says, of course, you come. And Chakli and Jamun sit in sofa and says, and Darshan brother comes and says, oh, who are you? Why do you come here? Chakli and Jamun says, I will meet Darshan, you know.
Oh, okay. Next. ಈಗ ದರ್ಶನ್ ಮನೇಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. Next. What happened after?
Chakli and Jamun come to Chakli house.
Chakli
house. Chakli think, oh Jamun. Chakli says, Jamun, we go Yanpost hotel and we eat masala dosa. Chakli and Jamun felt. We go Ankatti. We look the big elephant. They felt and they think and came. They said, they come to near me. They said, how did the Jamun do? What
Things.
What things did the Jamun? What things did Jamun take? They tell me. I said, I don't know about that. I tell my mother and I said they went to Bangalore and they do whatever. I don't know about that. You go next.
Okay. Now what happened?
Jamun and Chakli go forest. Jamun look lion. Lion look Jamun. Lion say, I eat Jamun. Why do I eat? Jamun say, why do I eat? I am hungry. You give Jamun.
Okay.
I don't give. Jamun and Chakli partly ran. Jamun and Chakli go Mysore.
Okay.
Chakli look my father look Chakli. Chakli, why do you come Mysore?
Okay, next.
Chakli and Jamun goes Mysore. Chakli says, you look Mysore palace. What a beautiful Mysore palace. Jamun says, wow, nice. What a wonderful. Chakli and Jamun goes Angati, and Chakli says, you look cheetah.
Okay, next. Be little short because you have to give everybody chance. No, don't say.
Chakli and Jamun went to forest. Chakli is very sick. Lion was very angry. Lion searched the meat. Chakli was sat the field. Lion looked at the Chakli. Oh, there is a Chakli. I eat very well. I eat Chakli. My stomach very.
Okay. Now you say, now what we'll do, we'll change the story. New story. Look at anything here. Pizza burger. Have you seen pizza burger?
No.
Then have you ever tasted pizza burger? Then you don't take that. Take it something like which you do it every day, which you eat every day.
Rice and sambar.
Ah, very good. Talk about rice and sambar.
One day I go my house. I am very angry.
Huh.
I look for.
So rice and sambar are friends? Who are they?
Sir.
Friends.
Sir.
Friends are enemies?
Friends, sir.
Friends, okay.
One day, rice and sambar went to the forest.
Okay.
He looked lion. I eat rice. I eat lion. I eat lion. Sambar said, I eat lion. I eat lion. Both are don't eat. We do question.
Okay.
Lion come rice and sambar. You eat me? Lion ask, you eat me?
Okay.
I don't say sambar. I don't say. You leave me, please. You leave me.
Okay.
Like rice and sambar and I go house. House. Lion come.
Everywhere why lion is coming? There's no any animals, monkey, tiger, nothing?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Lion come. How do we come? Why do we come? I come. Rice and sambar. I don't eat. Okay. I come. I go. Forest. Friends.
Okay.
One day I go to my house. I looked at rice and sambar. Sambar say, what do you come?
Okay.
Rice and sambar. Sambar go rice house. Sambar call rice. Rice. You help.
Okay. Now we'll stop this story. One more thing. Now, this much big.
Oh.
This ragi mudde. One day, when morning, early morning, when the sun is rising, you see big ragi mudde coming from that road. Big ragi mudde. Now you have to make a story on this ragi mudde. From here. Say something about that ragi mudde. Whose house? Who served first? What they do? Everything is start. Okay.
Rice and sambar.
Rice and sambar is over. Now ragi mudde. Ragi mudde has come. Early morning you see everybody are talking. Hey, don't do ragi mudde. Wow. Now you start a story.
Ragi mudde. My mother do ragi mudde. My mother do ragi mudde. I go house. What do you do? My mother say I do ragi mudde. Big ragi mudde. And
Okay. Next.
One day I go house and my mother do ragi mudde. I say, mother, what do you do? My mother say, I do ragi mudde. You eat? Yes, yes, I eat ragi mudde. You give, please. My mother say, okay, you sit and I take ragi mudde. And my mother take ragi mudde and I eat. Sir, you give one chance, please.
1 minute. Let them all complete. Yeah, they.
I go to my friend's house. I go to my friend's house. My friend, mother. My friend mother say, do you eat ragi mudde? I say, yes, I eat. Do you give? Could you give? And I eat. One day I go hotel. I say, boys, you do ragi ball? And I say, yes. Do you want? I say, what? You. And I eat and I don't give money. And I don't have money. I don't give. I run away. And boys crying. And I come and eat ragi ball, rice and sambar, whatever I eat. And I don't give money and run away.
Okay.
I eat the mudde, ragi mudde. One day I go out. Ragi mudde. I give mother ragi mudde. Ragi mudde is mother. Ragi mudde. I go out. I don't know. I get up in morning. Suddenly my brother get up. My mother do the ragi mudde. I and my brother go near the ragi mudde. Ragi mudde. I say I want ragi mudde. I want ragi mudde. My brother say I want ragi mudde. And my mother take and eat. Ragi mudde is coming my village. And people is look ragi mudde. People is quarrel. Now I want ragi mudde. Ragi mudde is fever. People you sorry yargu beda. You did not want. You did not want. I eat and you eat. Ragi mudde is two. Ragi mudde is fever and run away. One day ragi mudde come to my house. I say ragi mudde is came. What we do? I throw it ragi mudde. People come and quarrel. I take, but ragi mudde I don't come your house. I sit in this field. I don't come. One man come to ragi mudde near. He take egg and put it. One day ragi mudde come to my house. My mother and use my father say and my mother use and my father eating and super fantastic and my mother say you give another.
Okay. Everybody have finished now? Okay. Now give me this geometry box. Okay. Is there an empty geometry box? No, sir. Is there empty? No. Okay. I'll give my 4. Now, what you have to do, don't use the phone. Okay? Small activity. So when the phone, I'll give it to this boy, he has to listen to the phone. Phone will say something which we don't know. You have to say what the phone is saying. Okay? So you just hold the phone like this and say what the phone is saying. Okay? One small sentence. Okay? Don't say big sentences. One small sentence. Hold the phone will say something. Okay? Be creative. ಎಷ್ಟು ಏನೇನಾದರೂ ಹೇಳಿ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಏನೋ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಕೇಳೋದು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಕೊಡಿಲಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕೇಳು ಯಾರು ಏನು ಫೋನ್ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ ಕೇಳು ಏನೋ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ನೋಡು
How are you?
Oh, very good.
I am fine.
Oh, only sir. Okay.
Where do you come from?
Oh, ಹಂಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ Great.
When do you come from?
Oh, when do you come from? Okay. Next. Only questions. Okay.
What is the full form of the family?
Okay.
How do you eat?
How do you eat? Oh.
What did you do?
When did you do?
Okay.
Your name?
What is your name ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ಯಾರು ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ
Where I go?
Where I go? Why do you call me?
Why do you call me? Okay. Anyone?
What is your father name?
Oh. Wait. Only one chance to.
Could you please tell me your father name?
Okay. Anyone?
Which you like food?
Okay.
Could you please your mother name?
Okay. Anything? anything something different?
What do you do?
What do you do? Oh.
Oh, Pansa teach English? Okay, come.
Okay, anyone? Okay.
Why do you go Mysore?
Okay. Why do you go to Mysore? Okay. Only one chance to kids, huh? Okay. Oh, those who have not got any chance, who have not got. Okay.
Where does you live?
Ah,
Where do you work?
okay. Hey, 1 minute. The phone is saying something. It says very good children. Phone saying you're all looking very beautiful. Oh, you're all hungry? Huh? No? No? Hungry? Hungry? Is it your lunch time? Oh, no. Oh, you completed your exams?
Yes.
See, the phone says that you're having holidays now.
Yes.
Oh, till tomorrow. Oh, it is saying happy holidays to all of you.
When you come class, you teach English. I am very happy, sir. You are speaking very nice.
Me? Thank you very much, but I'm a student from Kannada. I don't know, till 7th standard I was only know how to read and write Kannada, and then my father put me in English medium school. Then I was really struggling, but you are also lucky. In 5th, 6th standard you have learnt English. I never had that opportunity. In 8th standard I was not able to understand English. So slowly I picked up, and now I can, to an extent I can talk. But you are all very lucky. Sir,
if you don't mind, what's your name?
His name. Please talk.
Also, you give feedback how this is here. Talk.
I like to share one small incident which happened in our school. Okay, we had a similar class, I think in 8th standard. There were 2 students. Okay. The teacher called the 2 students. They were supposed to converse in English, talk to each other in English. So, how Pawan and I are standing, they started. This fellow told, what is your name? He answered. Then next question, what did you eat for breakfast? That also he told. And after that, he didn't know what question to ask. Then he told, see, my friend doesn't understand English, his language, he can only understand in Telugu. So he started asking in Telugu. Okay. So at least I am very happy that you are making that effort to converse in English. Better know whether you make mistakes, that's all part of it.
Yeah.
So, congratulations to all of you.
Very good.
Very good.
Very good.
I have to say a few words about their English, sir.
New words, sir.
If you said English, we learned
New words. When you come my school, our school, we learn new words.
Okay.
New words.
Okay, new words you learned.
Yes, sir. Said new words, sir.
So I'm very happy. First time I've come here and I'm talking to all of you, and it's really wonderful. I'm very, very happy to meet you all. You have made your own efforts to speak with me in English, and I really appreciate your efforts. So keep on talking, keep on sharing, and it's just okay. It's okay, you can make mistakes. You can laugh at each other, have fun, enjoy, and keep learning, keep learning.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you can write as well?
Yes, sir. I will write English. Sir, and
Okay.
I will write story as a story.
Anything, sir.
We can write.
Okay.
Pawan sir give paper and
Huh?
we write anything, sir. Sir, every day, sir.
Every day you're writing?
Yes, sir.
Oh, Keep writing.
Sir, when do you free your school? You come my school, sir.
Maybe once, now you are having holidays, right?
Yes, sir.
Maybe once you reopen, maybe in June or July we will come.
Sir, what did you become, sir?
I didn't understand your question.
What did you become?
Became.
What do you become? What do you become? What do you become?
What you become?
ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದಾರ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್
I am a human being. I am a human being.
Human being ಅಂದ್ರೆ
ನಾನೊಬ್ಬ ಮನುಷ್ಯ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
Sir, I could understand 10 standard textbook English textbook, sir. I could understand.
You could understand?
Yes, sir.
Oh, very good.
Sir, I read 10 standard books, sir. I understood, sir.
What? Okay, what is that you understood in 10th standard book?
Sir, ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅದಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ
Okay.
ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಸೀತೆ ಕನ್ನಡ I said already, sir. What is the full form of the family? Can anybody say it?
No, I don't know. You have to teach me. What is the full form of family?
Sir, F means father,
Huh?
A means aunt,
Huh?
M means mother,
Huh?
I means eye,
Huh?
okay. L means life,
Huh?
Y means ear.
Oh. Good. I'm very impressed. The first time I'm seeing like all the government, children from the government school are able to converse so fluently in English. So very good. Keep up your efforts and just keep on talking. Fine. That's the way to learn. You choose what is that.
Sorry, and I and you
Huh?
speaking.
Huh?
I am right.
So do one thing. You can write whatever you like. If you write some 4 sentences, small paragraph. Write whatever you like. Whether you like a poem, you like a song, you like anything in which you like to write. Just write 4 sentences. Can you all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do it.
Wait. Provide a picture of whatever.
Now write something. ಇವಾಗೆಲ್ಲ ರಜಾ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Holidays. So just write your holiday plans. What are you going to do in holidays? ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ holidays ಅಲ್ಲಿ? 4-5 sentence ಬರೀರಿ. Write just 4 or 5 sentences.
AGE. VILLA AGE AN AJGATTI. Write it down as it is.
ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದು? ಓಕೆ, ನಾನೇ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ. ಕೊಡಿ, ನೀನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ ನೋಡೋಣ. ನಿಮ್ದು ಹಾಲಿಡೇ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐ ಟೇಕ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ, ಐ ಗೋ ಮೈ ವಿಲೇಜ್, ಐ ಪ್ಲೇ ಕ್ರಿಕೆಟ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಐ ಆಸ್ಕ್ Pratap, if you go Mysore, what will you do? Pratap say, I don't. Agbodu, very good. Who else has written your holiday? Read.
I take holidays. Now I don't happy because I live myself. We learn very well. We learn Kannada and Samaja, Vijnana. We learn very well, sir. When I go village, I write poem and story and lion story. I write very well because I prayer the God. I write very well. Please God, you give me varanaki. God bless you.
ಕೊಡು ನಾನು ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿದ್ಯಾ. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರೆದಿದ್ಯಾ. ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಗಿವ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ವೆರಿ ಹ್ಯಾಪಿ. ಗಿವ್ ಹಾಲಿಡೇ, ಐ ಗೋ ಮೈಸೂರ್, ಐ ಲುಕ್ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಟೌನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಲುಕ್
car.
super car. What is that?
Super car.
Oh, I will take dress and my father take
Cotton sheet.
cotton. Oh, I put
Cotton sheet.
oh, cotton seed. Okay. Okay.
I will enjoy and I will go my village. I will look my uncle, grandmother and I will enjoy with my brothers. And I will go Mysore and I will look animals. I will go catchcalls and enjoy with my brothers.
Now holiday began. School give holiday. We are very happy. Every children want holiday. They thinking when the holiday come, when the holiday come. When holiday come, I go near my sister. I teach her. I teach English. Pawan sir taught English. We are very happy. They did not take money. I am Pawan sir student. I took money. He think she is jealous. Therefore I did not take money and I teach her. Holiday come, I write English work. Holiday, I go village. Holiday, I am enjoy. Holiday, sir, ಆಚರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋಕೇನು?
Celebrate.
Holiday come, celebrate Yugadi. And children very happy. Eat the bevu bella. Then come holiday, children thinking. Everyone go Mysore Palace. When I go Jugad, I look animal. I am very lucky.
Okay. So enjoy and happy Ugadi and happy holidays. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. One observation entandre the children here are very creative and they are able to speak well and write well. So and they are very creative in making sentences. Though there is a different levels in it. Some are able to converse better and some are still in the learning stage. But what I felt is some children are able to, because I saw one girl here, she has written only, she is not able to write properly. She has written only 2 or 3 sentences. But when I asked her to read, she read more than what she has written. So that is something interesting. So the children are able to read and converse, they are able to speak and converse rather than write. Perhaps maybe in the coming time, one can think about giving them some small little writing tasks. I would suggest you to give them bilingual books.
But how the language stands for?
Make them to, I feel that language is all about sharing the feelings, sharing about day-to-day things. So perhaps make them to converse in English. So as natural as they can be, rather than making it artificial. Not in a detailed way, but one thing I observed is they have the ability to listen, they have the ability to read, they have the ability to write, so as speak as well. So I think that though there are what we talk about LS or W skills, they have a kind of understanding of that at different levels. So they're being, more than that, they're feeling confident about what they're doing. I think that is something which stands out in the classroom. Overall, they are confident and they know the creative component of language. That is very important. It's a very good effort. But my only request is that perhaps you document it, share your own story from beginning onwards, how the children work, what exactly your struggles, your experiences, and the support of people from Gram Panchayat. So make it a kind of a small booklet and publish it, so that it can be shared across all schools clusters. Otherwise, such experiments remains in the school, never go across. I think this needs to be shared across. I feel that at least it should reach out to the diet, reach out to SVN and all the other teachers. Maybe you should write in your own style. I would suggest that. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
ನನಗೆ ನನ್ನ ಗಮನಕ್ಕೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಾನು ನೋಡಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಇವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದಾಗ ಏನಪ್ಪ ನನ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಯಾರು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಿಗೆ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಾಯ್ತು, ನನಗೇನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇದು ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಖುಷಿ ಆಯಿತು. ಅಟ್ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಥರ ಈ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಅದೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಹೆಡ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಸರ್ಗೂ, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಮೆಟ್ಲು ಹತ್ತಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಸಾಕು ಅದು ಬಂದರೆ ಪ್ರೈಡ್ ಅದು. ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದವ್ರಿಗೂ ಒಂಥರ ಸೆಂಟ್ ಮೇರಿಸಲ್ಲಿ ಓದೋರು ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಉಪಯೋಗ? ದುಡ್ಡಿನ ಆತ್ಮವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಬರಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲೂ.
ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಕರೆದಿದ್ದು ಆ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀಟಿಂಗಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ ನಾನು, 1 year ಆಗಿದೆ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಮೊದಲು ಮೈಸೂರಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಓದ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಏನೋ ಕಾರಣಾಂತರದಿಂದ ಬಂದು ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿಸಿದ್ವಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನಂದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಹಲವಾರು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ, ಆ ಹುಡುಗರು ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯಾಶೀಲರಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಮಾತನಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಶೈಲಿ ಅದು ಆನಗಟ್ಟಿ ಒಂದು ಕುಗ್ರಾಮ. ಆ ಕುಗ್ರಾಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಆದಂಥ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಅದು ಭಾರಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರದ್ದು ಭಾರಿ ಕೆಲಸ. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಆ ಮಟ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಪಾಪ ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಕಷ್ಟದಿಂದ ಇವರು ಇದು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ 1 year ಆದರೂ ನನ್ನ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಮಗನಿಗೆ ಏನೂ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ನನ್ನ ಮನಸ್ಸು ಭಾರಿ ನೋವಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೆ.